asked you guys for some fakemon concepts, so I compiled them to answer the question, what fakemon should I draw? Hello everybody, we got a Harpy that's a fairy type and only has one stage. Let's go! Hello, it's Adam, and in one of my videos, Professor Maple asked if I can do a tutorial for my style. And you know what? It's time for Drawing with Adam! We're gonna use the mon for this episode as an example, or else it's gonna be a short one. Step 1. Conceptualization. We spun a single stage mon based on a harpy. According to Greek mythology, harpies are half-human, half-bird creatures and are described as ugly. I don't think that goes well with the fairy type because they seem to be mostly cute or appealing in appearance. So I'm just gonna get the half-human, half-bird part of the concept. After that, I thought of what birds to base it on. Let's use a macaw. Colorful, vibrant, like a carnival event. So let's make this mon as festive as it can be, while keeping it PG. Step 2. Line art. I like doing my sketch in a very small size, so let's blow that up to a 2000 by 2000 canvas, and let's situate the drawing in the middle. I'm also using Clip Studio Paint for this. Time for line art. I don't really use any special brush, just the regular circle. It's clean and gets the job done. To start, let's use a heavy line weight for the major outlines at around 7 points. After that, minor outlines are the lighter weight at 6 to 5 points. Then finally, for small details, I use a line at 4 points. Using a variety of lines gives the drawing more depth and character. It also adds a very professional feel. Step 3. Colors, shades, and highlights. Now, let's color the drawing. Usually, it's smart to think of the color palette. This eliminates the need for trial and error. If there's something I don't feel is working, I use a tonal correction slide to adjust them. That is Ctrl+U on CSP, Photoshop, and Side. My method of coloring is to separate colors by layer so that editing and locating the same colors is easy. After completing my flat colors, I like to imagine a light source from the upper left corner of the canvas. This is gonna help in determining shadows and highlights. I use purple as my shadow base color. I used to use black, but utilizing other colors gave my work more character and depth and style. I don't actually keep the purple, but recolor them to a darker version of the flat color. Then highlights. I use something like a light yellow, not white though. It looks unnatural. So that's big highlights here, big highlights there, making sure that the highlights are coming from the light source. Clean up any loose shades, any loose highlights of the drawing. And ta-da! And there we have it. This is Festavia, the festive Pokemon. Thank you to @RaceBlackTyler on Instagram for suggesting this mon. I hope you guys enjoyed the show, and if you want to see more from me, you can follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter. That's all for today, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye-bye!